is that?
George Peppa Pig. Daddy, you don't know?
Oh.
He's the member of the Peppa Pig group. George.
Ah, yes. And the other one?
Peppa Pig. It's Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig only.
And then George.
Yeah.
And
George
Daddy Pig. Who else?
and Mommy Pig.
Daddy Pig, Mommy Pig, and George, the Peppa Pig.
Remember, I'm watching that one. Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Rabbit twins.
Oh,
It's so small.
so cute.
Yeah. It's tasting the carrots.
Oh, yes. Because it's a rabbit.
Mommy Rabbit is carrying the queen, remember? And it's doing her hand to do like this, the baby.
Oh,
It's so cute. It's a twins.
the twins. Rabbit.
Yeah, rabbit twins.
I didn't see it in the television.
Also, big rabbit.
Yes.
The baby one, the big rabbit.
The baby one, but it's big.
Yeah. Also, Peppa Pig is growing up like this, like this, like this.
Like you?
Yeah.
But you like this, like this, like this.
No, I'm growing up like that.
Okay. Like that, not like that. Okay.
I'm sure you look. I'm high already.
Yeah. She's tall. She's tall.
She's tall na.
Yeah.
You're a big girl now, Bia.
Yeah.
So you're not a baby anymore.
Remember Karen chocolate? The never is grow up also.
So you're eating chocolate also? So you can grow up like Kuya Ranran.
Yeah. Because I'm so high to grow up me like that. And I was a baby and Karen was a smaller than after Karen eat chocolate and Karen is grow up then after scary me.
Okay.
Then tulog me.
Oh,
Like that.
dami mo nang alam.
Because I love baby Abia. Because it's my mirror.
It's my mirror, baby Abia. Wow.
You love your family.
Also, me daddy do to grow up, and grow up, and grow up, and grow up.
Oh.
And current means grow up, grow up, grow up, grow up, and grow up. Then current one is my superhero.
He's a superhero also.
Because also banana means big and big like this. And it grow up like this. The head means like this.
Puro ka naman si like this, like that.
It means current is grow up and grow up. And twist.
So what time you will sleep again?
Time is 4 hours.
4 hours pa.
Also, cats is be draw like this because cat is a Superman too, and the dog is
Super dog.
yeah. because Karen needs to touch the police dog. Then after Karen grow up and be police to touch the dog. The Wednesday is try to fight the monster to rescue it.
Wednesday also?
Yeah,
Hmm?
Wednesday is my superhero.
So how
Mommy,
how
don't
Wednesday dance? Like this?
know? I show you.
Okay. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding,
Oh, there's
ding.
Mama has, and Mama has, la, dita say, Mama this, Mama has, and Mama has, I know fright to you, see, in a Mary,
Wow. Oh, nice. Ay.
Nagbaw pa.
Good job. Yeah. Good job.
Itchy on my nose.
Yeah,